Hey.
Let's do this. Let's do this. Whoa.
I think we're about to play.
Going left. Covering left. Hit.
Straight to the drink. That's around the corner.
Left, contact left. Left. Hit. Hit.
Okay, so we've been lucky enough to partner up with Combat Simulations to bring you the Air Force One Boeing 747 at Brunting Thorpe Aerodrome. So Combat Simulations have been good enough to partner with us so that we can bring you airsoft inside it for the first time, I believe, in about 7 or 8 years. We're going to be running a full day session, split into 3 sessions in there of 2 hours, and you can play morning, afternoon or evening. And you'll be playing different scenarios involving assaulting the plane and defending the inside of the plane. It's nice to have a gun that, other than TM, that has got a nice recoil system in it. And both do. It's quite heavy, gives you that nice bit of feedback when you're firing it. And for the price point of around about £345, it's a very sort of entry level into the world of recoil.
It's so good. That's amazing. That's cool, man. That really is good.
Sorry about last year. You were my team, excuse me.
Oh yeah!
You were red team and you were
I kept flanking them, didn't I? Yeah, you're free, mate. Banded! Hit! 15. It's a lot longer than you think it is. 20.
Hey, fancy seeing you here.
count, bud.
I choose her anyway.
I'm pretty sure I was hit. I'll take that. Oh, sorry guys. I've killed half the team. Defend them.
Oh shit.
John from Virtus Training Systems, and he's got some new grenades out today. This is the first public.
First, yeah, public thing. Although we're waiting for classification from proof house at the minute, so I can't physically release them.
Yeah, of course.
Or I can test them myself, which is what we do for the demonstrations. Somebody ringing. And it basically runs a 209 primer.
Yep.
And a TLD style paper cartridge.
Yep.
And that's been fired already.
Yep, it's totally safe. Okay.
So that would go in like so.
Took me about 12 months to paint it.
Spoon assembly on, and then you're ready to go.
Fantastic. There's pull pin
Everything on
and the
my
spoon
credit card's got
it works like a...
Pulls that off, you turn it forward, pull it back, pull it out, deploy.
Works pretty much like a door.
Yep, exactly. It's,
Intended as a training device.
it has, and I'm already in talks with a couple of law enforcement people at the possibility of a cheap training aid for them to use.
And we've had John's given us a demonstration indoors as well, which was awesome. I feel the quite a concussion from it, which is pretty cool.
And they're only the training rounds, not the operational,
So
which the police and military may want operational.
They want something a bit more.
Oh yes.
They're going to be a bit more protected when they use them, I guess.
I might ask if I can let one off just for a pure demo later.
Okay. They look fantastic. They're really nicely made. Proper materials.
They're T6 aircraft grade alley, stainless steel.
Yeah. So there's no hot metal, nothing like that.
And it's made from a single bar.
Okay, so
there's no putting a plug in the end.
Right, so there's no joints, there's no seams, it's all just there.
It's just from a solid bar.
Brilliant.
And there's some of the TLD stuff that you'll know from previous, like GTR 25, which runs the same sort of charges, slightly different primer unit, which is that one. And then the GR20, which a lot of people will already know. These are, and the GTR 60, which is a triple bang, which we've shown you. The 25 and the 60 are when they're gone, they've gone. There'll be no more of those.
You're already ahead of the game.
Because I just got the last lot that will be released.
The charges are obtainable.
They are.
To an extent.
I'm waiting for an order for about 10 or 15,000 to turn up.
Right, okay. Awesome, thanks for that. Woo! Woohoo! 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 Woohoo!
Right, first of all, I'd like to thank everybody massively for coming down to our 3rd open day that we've had down here at the department. This has easily been the biggest and the busiest, and I can't thank you all enough for coming down and supporting us. At the end of the day, it's you guys who make us, the department, and Extreme exactly what it is. So thank you very much, guys. Give yourselves a nice pat on the back for that. Yep.
Go on, let's go. Let's go
right, so you might have noticed, you probably haven't failed to notice, that we've had a raffle running throughout the day. The raffle has been in conjunctuation or in aid of Crohn's and colitis. It's a charity that's quite, well, it's very important to myself, but we've sort of supported it for the last 2-3 years, haven't we? And it's really worked well. So I'd like to be very pleased to announce that we raised a grand total of £637 for Crohn's and colitis. So well done, everybody. Absolutely fantastic. Quickly off the bat, we've had donations from Neutral. These guys support us every time we do an event. They've donated a Pioneer breacher as well as a Raven 1911. So thank you very much, guys. We've also had a donation from JTAC over there, who've been here all day. They've donated one of their new rather epically awesome grenades. So thank you very much, guys. We've also had a donation from Cybergun, who've been good enough to donate an M249 Para, which many people have had their eyes on all day. Can't imagine why. As many more. So we'll
the rest are ours.
Oh, the rest are ours, are they? Okay.
Oh, Falcon bag.
Oh, yes, and Falcon have donated a rifle case as well. So lots of things going on. White 407. White 407. Oh, yay! No, you can keep it, mate. That's good. Congratulations. Green 119. Well done, Chris. Congratulations.
No, I just need to buy a gun.
You need to buy a gun to go in it now, yeah. And MK23 SOCOM. I'll wait for the train. This is green number 71. Yes! Yes! Unbelievable. Green 71. New Pro Raven 1911. Trent.
Come on, you know you all want it. What colour?
White. White.
What number?
600.
We are white. Yes. 395. White number 3. Oh, congratulations. Well done. If you don't win, you can blame Lee.
Oh, you're in my hands. Oh, go that one.
Go that one. The wind picked it.
The wind chose it. I know who that is.
I know exactly who that is.
Green.
Our initials on the back.
Green 57.
It's Laura.
Is it?
Laura, no way.
The wind took it, it wasn't me, so.
Green 57. What do you think you've won?
I thought you won it.
Yeah.
Graceful.
Oh, as ever, Laura's massively graceful. I'd just like to apologise on her behalf. We're going to auction it off.
I don't think so.
It is an unlimited game pass for a whole year to play any of our sites here or Project X.
Yeah.
As many times as you want. You can play every night of the week for all I care. As much airsofting as you want. So, bid high, bid generously. Every penny is going to go to Crohn's and colitis. So, I'll start the auction at a £5. Anybody? A £5. Will, thank you very much. 10? £10 a pull. Anything else?
20 quid.
50. 50 quid. Who said 50 quid? 50 quid.
Give me a 60 quid.
60 quid. 60 quid.
70 quid.
Anybody? £70. 80 quid.
80 quid.
100 quid. 100 quid to Crohn's and colitis. 150. Good man.
Anybody 160?
Anybody? 160. 160. Oh.
170.
It's getting meaty now. I'll take 165 if it helps.
160?
Oh, he's there, 170. I'll take 175
I'm a
if it
student.
helps.
I'm a student, put that.
170 pounds. Going once. Unlimited gameplay, guys. As many times as you want. Going twice. 180. Oh. 180. Unlimited games, guys. 200 quid. Good man. 200 pounds. Anybody advance on 200 pounds? Going once. Going twice. Sold. Love that over there. Thank you very much.